This is a video on the keyboard shortcuts for the Calcplot3D tool. There are all kinds of convenient keyboard shortcuts the Calcplot3D tool has. It's going to help make our life easier as we use this tool. So let's start out with the arrow keys. If I use the left arrow, if I click on the left arrow, we notice that our figure rotates in a counterclockwise direction around the z-axis. As you can guess, if I click on the right arrow, that switches the direction. We're still going around the z-axis. On the other hand, if I wanted to go around the x-axis, I hit my finger on the x keypad, and now if I use the left and right arrow, we see it rotating around the x-axis. So there's the left and there's the right. If I click on the Y button and hit the left arrow, we can see it's now rotating around the y-axis. And if I click Y and the right arrow, then it's rotating around the y-axis in the other direction. If I use the up and down arrow, as you might expect, what's happening is it's going upward on the screen, and if I use the down arrow, it's going downward on the screen. If I want to get back to where I was, I hit the home button. It's different on different computers. On my computer, it's function home. On Macs, it might be different. You can find the home button on your computer, and that sets it back to default. If I hit Control Home, what that does is it sets the viewpoint to the XY plane. If I hit Alt-X, what that does is it sets viewpoint to the XZ plane. If I hit the Alt-Y, our viewpoint is now on the XZ plane. Notice the y-axis is pointing right at us. So now if I hit the Alt and the arrow keys, let's check out what that does. Let's first skip back to home. If I hit the Alt and the arrow keys, so if I hit Alt left arrow, it just moves it over to the left. You can guess if I hit Alt right arrow, move to the right. If I hit Alt up, it moves it up. And Alt down, it moves it down. Okay, now there are many just regular old letters to hit to do some cool stuff. If I hit the T button, it changes the transparency, so now we can kind of see through it a lot better. If I hit the T again, it goes back. If I hit A, then we've just gotten rid of the axes. If I hit A again, the axes are back. If I hit B, the box is gone. If I hit B again, there's the box again. But if I hit P, what that does is it switches between the perspective and the parallel projections. If I hit F, then that's going to hide the faces on the 3D surfaces. If I hit F again, I get my faces back. I can also hide the edges. Click E, and the edges are gone. E again, the edges are back. If I hit N, then it hides and shows the normals. It's not showing on this one. In certain situations, if you want the normal to show or not show, hit N and then hit N again. If you hit S, then that puts it on the stereo view. Now we can see on the left eye and the right eye, we're looking straight at it. If I hit S again, we're back. Then finally, if I hit the 3 button, then that's for 3D glasses. What I just did is I changed the red cyan. I hit 3, I can see it go back and forth, changing that red cyan color on the 3D glasses. You have to have 3D glasses to see what just happened. And finally, Control S, if you can do scripts, that will set the scripts open or not. That's all I have to say about using the keypad to change the way Calcplot3D visualization looks. So thank you for watching this video.